in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block website cookies on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar, assuming Safari is open, and then select Settings. Select the Advanced button over here on the top right, and then where it says Privacy, block all cookies, go ahead and check mark inside of there. Existing cookies and website data will also be removed, which may log you out of websites. Select Block All, and that is all you have to do. Just close out of here to save it, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.